So let's say you want to go back and you want to edit or adjust your custom GPT that you've built. And in this case, the stage show fee calculator that we created earlier. Here's how you would do it. You're in your GPT account. On the left menu are all your different threads and your custom GPTs, right? So you go into your show calculator. That's in the main area here. Up in the top inside left where the name is, there's this down chevron. You click on that and you get Edit GPT. So you're going to click on Edit GPT. And that's where now everything on the left side of the screen is all of the stuff for the GPT itself. And on the right is your place to test, right? What they call the playground. But you want to make your changes here. So 2 tabs at the top, configure, that's name, the description, instructions, right? But the create tab is where you can do the normal chat GPT process of having a conversation and getting new outcomes. So one thing I realized after the video where we built this GPT and this show fee calculator is I didn't like the way that it asked you to answer all of the questions at once. So again, there's constant learning here. I don't even know if this is going to work. Let's find out. Can you ask the questions to determine a fee one at a time instead of all at once? It's calculating and working on it. The update has been made. Now the show fee calculator will ask questions one at a time to determine the fee for a stage show. I mean, how awesome is this tool? Now let's test it just to be sure. I need a fee for a show, please. Duration, 1 hour. It's doing it. Expect it. It's doing it one at a time. Audience size, let's say 150 to 200 people. Location. Interesting. This is a little different than it did last time. All right, let's pretend that it's in, let's say that it's in Denver, Colorado. Now, I'm testing on purpose here. All right, it doesn't know where I'm coming from, so that'll be interested to see how it affects its way that it's processing that answer. Do you have any such? All right, special equipment, special effects, additional personnel, special requirements like that? No. All right, so you notice here's an interesting thing. It only asked 4 of the original things. It didn't ask what kind of audience it's for. So I'm going to say, no, please also factor in that it's for a corporate event. One hour, 150 to 200 people, Denver, Colorado. Corporate. Let's see what it does. Okay. So it's starting with the base rate, 500. Then it's going with the audience size. It's only adding an additional 100 for that size. See, now we have to work on that. The location adjustment, it didn't ask where I was going from. So it's not adding any price at all. And then corporate, it's still working on. But so there's still adjustments that we have to make to this. So this is part of the testing process that we didn't do in the earlier video. So we've got the improvement of now it asks one question at a time, which makes it easier for the user to not have to remember all the questions, right? But the total estimated fee is $750. So this is way off. It's not working right. So we've got to go back and adjust the actual calculator. So you know what? I'm going to do a separate video about that so that the video doesn't get too long. The point of this video was to get to show you how just a simple change can be made by asking for it, like changing the order of the questions. So I've got you there. If you want to check out the adjustment process, I'll make a separate video for that. Okay? Come on back.